Lesson 1, topic fractions and decimals. Learning target, I can convert between fractions and decimals. Place value is the value of each digit in a number. So if we have the number 3,479, that tells you the value of each of the digits. So the 3 is not 3, it's 3,000s. The 4 is not just a 4, it's 400. So if it's in that spot, it gives it a different value than the actual number. So that allows us to represent larger quantities with less numbers and words. So we are going to use the place value chart to help us write decimals as fractions. So we want to write the following decimals as fractions. We're going to start with 0.752. So we can see the decimal places right here. So 0.752. So we have the tens place, the hundreds place, and the thousands place. So to write this decimal as a fraction, all we have to do is take the largest place that it's at, the thousands place, and make 1,000 its denominator. And then we just have 752 as the numerator. So that would be 752 thousandths. That's how we can say that decimal. And then our next example, we have 0.84, so we put that in our chart, 0.84. And this one ends at the hundredths, so a 100 is going to be our denominator. So we have 84 hundredths. Now, reminder, we can simplify our fractions. Majority of the time it is asked that we simplify. So a reminder of how to simplify fractions, we just have to divide the top and the bottom number by the same number. So I'm going to choose 4. And then we can do 84 divided by 4, and we get 21. And then we can do 100 divided by 4 and get 25. So this would reduce to 21/25. Two more examples here. Now you should notice that we have a number before the decimal point. So in this example, 5.6, we have 5.6. So to write this as a decimal, we're going to actually write it as a mixed number. So the 5 in the ones place is going to be our whole number. And then we're going to take the decimal part and make that a fraction. So we have 6 tenths. So that would be 5 and 6 tenths. Now we'd like to reduce that fraction. 6 tenths can be divided by 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we could actually write this as 5 3/5. Both fractions are accurate. One is just simplified, which is often asked of you to do. Last example here, we have 9.75, so we have 9.75. So again, we take the whole number, the piece before the decimal point, and make that our whole number, 9. And then after the decimal point, we have 75 in the hundredths place, so we have 75 over 100. Now we can reduce that, and if you guys think of quarters, quarters are 25 cents, so if we have 75 cents, we'd have 3 quarters. And if we had 100 cents or $1, we'd have 4 quarters. So 75 over 100 can actually reduce to 3/4. So this would be 9 3/4. Now you can practice converting between fractions and decimals.